Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back to do a video, a project share video for all of my new glitter that I got from NBEADS, and I will link all of that down below. Some of the glitter that I got were these little containers, and they're different colors. You get 12 of them, and they all have hearts in them. So I got this, and then this also has 12, and it is just shimmery glitter flakes in different sizes and shapes. So I used that. And then I used some of these. These are all different colors of stars. So I used some of these stars. And I made a couple of glitter mixes so that I can make some embellishments. I used one of my mixes, I used all of these stars with the purple, pink, and the white iridescent. There's some blue in there. And I used all these to make some glitter mixes. The first one I made was all of the stars. Now, I also, when I make my glitter mixes, I add in little tiny beads. So I don't know if you can see them. Let me see if I can get some. But this has little like seed beads in it. They're the little white ones right on the spoon. And so I add little seed beads, or this has some white and some pink in it, of the seed beads. So I made this kind of pink, blue, purple, iridescent mix. And then I made a yellow mix that I wanted something that kind of reminded me of sunflowers and a little bit of fall. So I used, and I'm using a Baskin-Robbins spoon. Thanks to my guy, he said this would be perfect for my sequins. But you can see in there that I have some beads. They're white, there's some gold ones, there's some silver, and it just gives you some little shimmer and a little chunky more glitter, because we all can't have enough glitter. And then I am going to make little embellishments like this. Now, when I finish this embellishment, I will probably take like Nuvo drops and go around the outside, but I'll decorate it up somehow on the outside. But first, what I do is I punched out some little doilies, and then I use Fabri-Tac just because it is it's cheaper. But I'll show you also something else that you can use that I saw someone use, and I wish I could think of who it was so I could give him credit, but I can't think of who it was that I watched. Anyways, I just put a dollop of glue in the middle, and then you take your tweezers and then you stick it down into your glitter mix. Now, I always kind of, especially with these scalloped edges, I want the scalloped edges to show on my embellishment. So I kind of push them away from the edge. And then I like to add another little dollop right in the center, just to give the embellishment a little more height. And I never work without a wet wipe. And then I will take it and I will dip it back in. And then just clean up the edges a little bit. So I can use some pretty Nuvo drops around the outside. See, that looks like a little cupcake now. So it could go on a bag topper. You could just stick it right on a bag topper, or on a birthday card. Okay, so there's two, and then I will probably use Nuvo drops on them. Now I'm going to show you, sometimes I just use regular circles. You can use any shape you want, but the last one, or someone else that I saw that did this also, they used glossy accents, and I just kind of turned things and started using the Fabri-Tac because the Fabri-Tac dries clear, but glossy accents also work. If mine's not clogged up. You know, if you have to squeeze it this hard, it's not going to end good. There it goes. There we go. Now this, because it doesn't have a scalloped edge, I will probably take it all the way to the edge, pick it up with my tweezers. Now, as you can see, it is kind of flat because the glossy accent does not like cake up like the Fabri-Tac, so I will add some more just to give it some depth. And then I will stick it back in there to get, there, now it's a chunky little piece. It kind of reminds me of autumn. It has orange and gold and a little bit of green. And let's make one more with the other color. And you can make any sequin mix you want. I will link all these sequin mixes, all the sequins that I got from NBEADS, so that you can order them if you are interested. And you just go to www.nbeads.com and get your glitter, because a girl can't have enough glitter. So I'm gonna make one more or two more of the scalloped ones because I really want to try the Nuvo drops on the outside. And then I just kind of shape it to get the shape I want. clear off the edges so that I can put Nuvo drops around it. And I'm going to do one more in the blue. Me and Fabri-Tac have kind of a love-hate relationship. And there you have it. And then Greg will be cleaning up glitter for days. And then the Fabri-Tac and the glossy accents dries very quickly. So these are all almost dry. So this is my project share number 2 for NBEADS. I'm going to link all of the sequins down below in the description. And I will be back soon with another crafty or planner video. And everyone have a wonderful weekend.